Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you AWeber trial version cost and benefits. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a trial or quickly log into your account. First, let's discuss the cost. AWeber doesn't have a free trial version. During the trial, you can access most of AWeber's features, but you need to pay for it. Post-trial pricing. After the trial period, pricing starts based on the number of subscribers you have. Plans typically begin at around $19 per month for up to 500 subscribers, with varying rates for larger lists. Now, let's talk about the benefits. The trial provides full access to AWeber's features, and this trial our paid starts at $19 per month for up to 500 subscribers, including email automation, landing page creation, and subscriber management. This allows you to fully explore the platform. Email templates. You can use AWeber's library of customizable email templates to create professional-looking emails quickly, which is especially useful for testing different styles and formats. Automation tools. The trial includes access to automation features, allowing you to set up follow-up sequences and automate your email marketing efforts based on subscriber behavior. Subscriber segmentation. AWeber allows you to segment your subscribers based on various criteria, such as demographics and engagement levels. This helps you tailor your messaging for better results. AWeber's message options include an easy-to-use email builder that lets you create customized emails using templates or HTML. You can personalize your content to effectively engage subscribers and schedule messages for optimal delivery. Performance analytics provide insights on open rates and engagement, enabling you to refine your email strategy. AWeber's campaign options allow you to create automated email sequences that nurture leads and engage subscribers over time. You can set up triggers to send messages based on subscriber actions, such as signing up or clicking links. Additionally, the visual campaign builder makes it easy to design and manage your campaigns, ensuring timely and relevant communication with your audience. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started. So be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.